Get my phone back on. I set that video off. It was getting long. I think on YouTube I can only upload up to 14 or 15 minutes videos at a time. Anything longer than that, I won't take it. So I just sat here and hanging out, watching big sweet semis drive by. Big trucks. Trucks are cool. I'm gonna get a drink of water. Got my drink of water, waiting for some motorcycles to come by. Trying to catch some filming. Cool. Motorcycles are cool. Got school buses and everything else going by. That's a Marshall Public Schools. I don't know what they're doing over here. That's motor Dakota. Still running good. There's a HHR, they suck. That's not what the salesman tried to say. He tried to get me to trade my Durango in for one of them for a down payment. I was like, you're nuts. You owe me money. My Durango's way sweeter than that. Chevy HHRs, they suck. They're ugly, they suck. Pretty much like all Chevys. Jeep, I don't care for that look style of Jeep. That pointed nose, like, I don't care for them. I mean, they're okay, but after having them other ones for quite a while, last couple of years, Jeep Grand Cherokees, they look so good. They make them look bad. Mopar has definitely taken a couple steps backwards when it comes to making good looking vehicles of late. All of their vehicles are not very good looking anymore. I mean, that Chrysler 300 was really sweet all the way up till 15. 15 they changed the body style a little bit. That still looks alright, but it's not real good. The only thing that looks cool, 100% cool still, is the Dodge Challengers. That's it. They changed the front ends of the Chargers. They changed the front end of the Ram. They messed up the Jeep, like I just showed you that film when we come by. The new Chrysler 300s are okay. The Chrysler 200s are cool looking. But the rest of them are a disappointment. The new Durangos look cool. Journeys are alright. But for the most part, got a bug buzzing in my ear. I was trying to set out here a couple days ago when it was 68 degrees. Man, there was mosquitoes everywhere. I can't believe it. We don't need them to come out. I hate mosquitoes. Fun to sit out on the porch when it's warm. When you get mosquitoes try to eat you alive. There's a Jeep. Ain't no fun. Get me some yard guard or something to kill them all. In this area, spray my yard down. Kill every mosquito I can. Spray it in the woods. I like that color Jeep Wrangler. It's cool. That's kind of that odd green color that nobody likes. But I like it. I like all shades of green. looking for some motorcycles to come by. I'm gonna shut this video off and try another shot.